Next up is the Sattiq Guest Quarters. This one's a little bit more hard to find, as I don't even think the building is listed on the map. If we zoom into the west side of the map over here by the Sattiq Cave Complex, where you see all of these buildings clustered together here, just north of this upper caverns icon, we'll be following this little group of buildings up until we get here, right before the curve of the road. If we look straight across to the east, over here, this is where we'll be heading. That should be the Sattiq Guest Quarters. You can already see it from here, from the top of this hill, which I'm standing right about here. Over there, we have the door. That is where we need to get to. Of course, this is usually very well protected because of the nearby monuments. Navigating up the hill here and fighting past everything, we have the door here, the Sattiq Guest Quarters. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Sattiq here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!